Hello. In this video, we will be covering a high-level overview of the Maptician system. Depending on your permission level, you may not have access to everything you see in this video. We encourage you to go through these tutorials to get a grasp of what you need to get started. When you get a chance, look around your own Maptician account to familiarize yourself with the tools granted to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to a Maptician representative and we will be happy to answer them in more detail. Now, let's get started. After logging in, you will be taken to your home dashboard. Here, you will be able to find a variety of customizable widgets showing different types of information regarding your office. For example, your assigned seat, what rooms are available for reservation, your organization's bulletin board, and more. The organization dashboard is similar to the home dashboard in that it is widget-oriented. However, the type of information presented here is more high-level organizational data compared to the everyday use information seen in the home dashboard. This high-level data could include lease information, office capacities, different types of cost analytics, and more. The Offices tab brings you a list view of all of the office locations within your organization and some office-specific information. This is also where you will find the Map Management area, a portal focused on managing all of the office's floor plans created within your organization's Maptician environment. You can also find the Scenarios windows here. Scenarios in Maptician are sandboxed versions of an existing floor plan where you can create changes or alternate layouts without affecting the original map. In the Scenarios tab, you can quickly jump between each scenario to compare them to each other. Moving into the next section, we have the Occupants Manager. Within Maptician, we define occupants as people who essentially take up space within an office. That's usually done through a seat assignment. However, sometimes occupants can be flex or remote workers, people who do not get a traditional seat assignment but who you want to keep track of in the Maptician system. Within the Occupants Manager, you will find an area labeled Manage Users. In Maptician, we define users as people who have a Maptician account and login information. Remember, occupants can be users, but users do not necessarily have to be occupants. For example, someone on the Maptician team may have a user login to your organization's Maptician account. However, that does not signify that we will need to be accounted for as occupants. As well, occupants do not necessarily need to be users. It is common that a company chooses to keep track of their occupants, but only grants user status to a handful of their employees. The Directory tab is where you would locate information for the occupants in your organization and office. It is most similar to an office directory, however, it has the benefit of being tied to your organization's floor plans, so locating coworkers can be done quickly and easily. What you are seeing now is the Map Viewer, a tool within Maptician that can be used to locate coworkers within an office, see types of rooms and reservable spaces in that office, and easily find important points of interest within the floor plan. You can access the Map Viewer in a variety of ways within the system, by clicking someone's seat in the directory, like how we just did, or by clicking on a map widget thumbnail in either the home dashboard or the organization dashboard. Let's move on to the last two components of the Maptician system, first of which is the Assignments Manager. After creating a floor plan, you can use the Assignments Manager to assign occupants to seats within a map. This can be done simply with a drag and drop interface, or by clicking the seat and then the person whom you wish to assign to that seat. Once completed, you can save the assignments and they will be shown in the directory and the map viewer. The last area we will touch on is the map editor. Within the map editor, you can create a new office floor plan or open old ones to create scenarios or make changes to the existing layout. In the next video, we will be going over the map editor in more detail to give you an idea of how to use its tools to make your floor plan come to life.